Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about a LayerZero. Once again, never say never, because we landed to the first zone of interest. Let's dive in. Guys, you remember we track all these tokens after listing, on the next day after listing, because we work with intention accumulation pump model. How to work with that model, I recommend you go and check free educational video. So you can use that model for any single token on any single exchanges, adjust to your trading plan, for example. So here, this was a listing and people screaming, we never dropped $2. So you are so wrong. And take a look, it's just a matter of time. I can't know the time, right? So we work with a correct zone, relevant zones, and the idea of that model, right? And every single idea got invalidation. So invalidation of this idea, if the LayerZero will drop to $1 or even under, like StarkNet did. What to do if the token drop on the listing price and invalidate idea? I highly recommend you go and check the last StarkNet video to listen to the explanation. So here, it was a listing on a Binance June 24. Imagine all levels absolutely still the same, still relevant. We formed the EQO lows on the daily time frame. Usually, it's just a matter of time when we will go and sweep that liquidity pool. Got it. About EQO lows, also highly recommend you go and watch the free educational video, guys. All content always for free. So we test here up to your risk. You could buy at 38 level and fix a profit at 27 block or at minus 0.61 withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens. After that, we pump it from $2.50. We pump it to $7.53. At this point in December 24, everybody screaming, we're going to the moon. We go into the moon, we go into $10, $50, $100, and all of that random stuff. And no, we can't, just 100%, we can't drop to $2 again. We never see that $2 again. Ha ha ha, and all of that's comment section, when the people laughing. But here we landed. So never say never, because we dump it 71%. If you want believe from these current prices, we can drop lower. Why we can't? So here we can drop 71%, but why we can't drop now 54 or 55% to the best zone to buy? Why we can't invalidate the idea? Any reason? Do you still believe in the fundamental or utility of that tokens? So reduce your expectation, guys. So if you got a plan and if you follow your plan and you have an interest to buy the LayerZero, for your investment portfolio, you did everything right, because at $2.21, $1.92, you can add your limit orders and buy this token. So, for example, this is what's your limit order, 37% pump. If we hold the line here and not drop it again to next level, $1.92, safety trade after 100%, you can at $4.47 withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens. Also, the good news, believe it or not, but sooner or later, we will trade at least 50% of this order flow. With this move, or from these current prices, we can hold the line and go higher. So believe it or not, guys, it's just a matter of time. So we leave a lot of liquidity every single K level, right? It's someone stop losses. So market makers, they're soft, their bots will hunt that liquidity sooner or later, just a matter of time, guys. So if this is the first zone of interest level, second one, third, fourth, got it. And you can build an average entry. I still believe almost all altcoins which listed during the last 2 years, especially on the Binance, will hit the new all-time high. So, and LayerZero, I think also will hit it. And everybody will screaming about utility, about fundamental of this project. But guys, it will be the time to distribute the bags, for retails. So this is zone of interest and this is zone of interest. Two zone of interest here. When and if we will drop to that block, it's we can't know in a moment. Next step is going to be, of course, all-time high. So definitely all-time high. I think we will see this one. Take a look with my customer request. What else do you know? So technically, this is accumulation. This is accumulation. We pump. This was accumulation. right? And we grab all AQO lows. We grab all AQO lows, so liquidity hunted. Now we are on the daily time frame only in the middle. So it's kind of bad. Why it's kind of bad? Because here, this is still area. We don't see any accumulation on direction, and this is not a crazy accumulation on ADZ. But of course, guys, I hope, so I repeat, with this move or from this current prices move, I don't think so we will see the V-shape recover move, but we will see, I think, the test of $5.67, this level, and the new all-time high. So it's just a matter of time. But maybe in summer, who knows? Money power trade on. So this was a signal to out of LayerZero. Exactly at here. Not at the all-time high, but in December it was a good time to out of LayerZero. A lot of reasons was to out of that project, fix the profit. Daily time frame is good one. So here, the whales accumulated back. This is accumulation back by back. So it's a local trades on a daily time frame. Here's a finally signal to fix the profit and signal to buy. So this was the last signal to sell. So technically, guys, sooner or later, just matter of time, just work with the zones. But we can't know and be ready to see even this move. If you're not ready to see this move, better skip the token. Take profit. We jump on the listing price. It's not on the listing price, on the real value of this token. So real value of the LayerZero at this current moment on the daily time frame, it's $0.40. So we trade on the buy line. So it's good one. Take profit. So here, this is what I tell you, $6.37, 36.37. So sooner or later we will test the buy line. So it's just a matter of time, but we can't know when. And here, buy line on a 12, take profit on a 12 time frame. It's 5.59. So this one, take a look. 1, 2, 3. Three liquidity pools will be tested with this move and higher, or with this move, just in case. So guys, I hope you like this video. Wrap us in a comment about LayerZero targets. Do you think this was the bottom or not? If you want to trade with my customer set, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.